You probably already know the rule of all brokers, 90-90-90. That means 90% of new traders lose 90% of their capital in 90 days. They completely blow their account in a very short amount of time. They trade without any risk money management. They don't put stops. They look up 875 different strategies, 333 different indicators. They mix and match, and over again they continue to fail their trades. This channel will show you why these strategies fail and how you can improve your win rate. I will also prove that everything doesn't have to be complicated. All videos will be under 5 minutes so that it can be easy, fast and useful. I will break the idea of many people that one must read dozens of books to be successful. Welcome to the channel, everybody. My name is Ivailo and this is Elite Trading Zone, a channel where I discuss everything trading, whether it's Forex, crypto, stocks or indices. On this channel I'm going to present you various strategies that will benefit you while trading on the financial markets. Don't forget that I will break down every single strategy you have ever heard of and how you can actually improve it and make it a winning strategy. I'm also going to discuss so many of the top indicators like RSI and MACD, which one are useless, which one are useful and which one you're using wrong. So if you guys want to learn how to become better day traders and more profitable, check out my full library of videos, and if you get some value out of them, don't forget to subscribe.